I hope with your critical comments and review, we will be on toes and quality of the course will be much better. Now, I will second reviewer. He will join us through video conferencing. He is engineer because he's a crazy man. He do always something new. I mean, heck, or he cannot sit either. So, Vikas, I would like to give you, you are the authorized to share your screen or webcam. I suggest to share, switch on your webcam so that you can address to our participants. Give your views. Do you think whatever we are proposing it will be good for us, or do with this spectrum right from the principal and of the department deans and from the office clerks, will be able to use it? What is your expectation or what is your uh, some some doubts about this? Over to Vikas, please.
Thank you, Dr. Rai, for having me here. Really appreciate that, and thanks to all faculty and everybody who's listening to me. Yes, I've heard a couple of crazy things here. First of all, using Git as a version control system is simply amazing. Like it, it is used by largest repositories around the globe, like the Linux and the kernel, even the Microsoft is using it now. It's been is evolved so much, like like not even the small things, like all the big things are on this thing, because in our daily life we do a lot of things. We do we prepare a lot of documents, we do a lot of code. If we just talk about computer programming, even if we talk about a simple photo management, even if we talk about video management, even such small things, document, it can be a text file, it can be accounts, it can be anything. So what happens is, over the time when you make changes to a document, over time things get deleted easily, things get lost when we transfer things through pen drive. It's a mess to manage the whole situation when you have a lot of improvements on a single document. So using this version control system, it's just simply amazing how you can track all the changes, and it will be a boon for non IT people if they can really use it well. I believe if we can make it use without the commands, it will be simply amazing. I really appreciate the effort on this, and I would love to be part of this whole journey with you guys and give my 2 cents where needed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vikas. So about the responsibility of the YouTube viewers, Dr. Sira and Engineer Vikas, to keep us on toes and guiding us so that we will keep on track and keep things as simple as possible. I mean, I know that things may be more ambitious, but that we are not trying to do that. We will move very slow pace. 5 days are more than enough. I mean, even if we expect we have given a task of 4 hours in a day, it might be possible few of you may able to finish in 3 hours or 2.5 hours. It's quite possible. I mean, it's not like that we have to work for 4 hours. We will be a task given to you and you need to finish the task. If you can finish it with less time, we are okay. But if you are taking more time, then take more time, but finish it. Ask for the help as long as possible. Asking help is a wonderful art. I mean, it should not be like you should feel that I am a senior professor or I am doctorate, then why I should ask the question your student can answer. See, this is new technology, new area. You can be master in your own area. What in I mean, every software claim to be very user friendly. But still, if you find the internet, there are millions of questions about that so user friendly software. If software is so user friendly, why one should ask the questions? So question and answer are the must part in a learning. And because you have a facing problem, you search the internet, you will get the answer. What I say, if you can get the answer, even then you ask question in our discussion forum. You ask question, you can find answer yourself, even you can answer your query as well. If you can find answer to internet later, and I mean there should be a good interaction on the discussion forum. Then it make learning really fun, right? So we will not take much time. It was just an introduction. then you must have received the email where there is an enrollment procedure. You need to enroll on a website and then explore that. Task will be given. You will not able to do the next task unless you complete the first task. And I think for most of the faculty members, that is a good training that how they should give tasks to their students. Because now we are using Moodle for our routine teaching learning process. So rather than giving note evaluating the students is of no use. So every single step, give some task to the student, there is some reading materials, and immediately after that, evaluate him. I will not evaluate after 1 month or so. So evaluate after every small lesson. So that is this technique which is good for everyone. So that we are going to follow. And moreover, you will be under oath that you are not going to discuss in person or through mobile or through WhatsApp or by other means. Only discussion has to take place through our portal. So with this, now I invite Professor Yuvraj Singh to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Principal, HODs, Deans, Advisors, faculty members, and dear participants. I, Yuvraj Singh, on behalf of organizing team, once again welcome you all to the 1 week TQ3 sponsored skill development training on efficient, trackable, and sustainable workflow. The skill development training is designed keeping in view the issues associated with poor workflow and making sure that computer resources are used efficiently. Beyond the version control of documents, I'm sure there are so many things participants will be exposed to. I request all the participants to remain enthusiastic and be active on discussion forums for inputs on any sort of queries. This is a self-paced online training and will be conducted in asynchronous mode. As communicated through confirmation email, we will have a live session on Friday. I once again welcome and thank all the participants for being a part of this skill development training. I wish you all an enriching experience. Thank you.
Thank you. We close it now. Check your emails if you have not done earlier. And there might be a few who are late or from the Manti institution. They will get the email within 2 hours. And after reading through the emails, first task will be read email, then act accordingly. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. Thank you.